Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing, this time from one of my favorite micro brands, Vario, as you can see. And as you can see from the ticketing here, we have the A-11S, the 1945 A-11S, which is their solar quartz field watch. There is an offer at the moment. If you sign up for the newsletter, you get 15% discount. So I leave a link to the newsletter in the description below. So be sure to check that out. So first off, you get a bit of a different travel bag, new travel bag from Vario. I have two Vario watches, so I know the other travel one watch bag is a bit different than this one. I actually like this one because I have two of the other ones, and here we have some let's say, yeah, some kind of cushion to support the watch. And here we go, we have this beautiful field watch in gray. So let's take the stickers off, banknote stickers. So first off, as you can see, it's a solar watch in the case of a field watch. You have three colors that is on offer. You have the black, gray, and white. You have also two different sizes, 40 and 35 millimeter. So you can choose between all of these, and you can see here on the side of the dial is the solar unit. That's why this dial looks really like cool as well for a solar watch. Usually have like a cutout or a black inner bezel that absorbs the light. Let me move the hands. And also you don't get a second, which is making this watch even more, let's say, symmetrical for me. So let's get down to the numbers, the specs of the watch. So the watch is, like I mentioned before, 40 millimeters in diameter. You get also the chance to buy the 35 if you have a smaller wrist. 48 lug to lug, 10 millimeters of thickness, and standard 20 millimeter lug width. Comes with a Cordura strap, really nice, black buckle Vario, as you can see. Pretty cool strap, also with easy spring bars, and also drilled hole lugs in the case, which is quite good. Let me take the strap off and show you the watch, because the Lume in pictures looked really good. So I was really also interested to see how it looks in reality, and it does look good. I have to test it at night, but the hands and numerals do light up. Like I said, this is the Eagle Gray, so one of the three colors, and it's rated with 5 atmos of water resistance. Sells for $198 US, but you can add the 15% discount, so you can get it for lower than that. And you have a sapphire crystal with the inner AR coating, so the coating is on the inside. So sometimes if the coating is on the outside and you scratch the watch, especially for beater watches, it doesn't look nice. Yeah, 2 years of warranty. The solar quartz movement inside is the Miyota 2170, so 2170 with the push-pull crown system. The case is 316L steel, brushed side, polished chamfer on the bezel, circular brush on the frontal of the bezel, signed crown, as you can see, polished also on the sides of the back or the case back, and here we have also brushed. Is that a plastic on top? Yeah, that's a plastic on top. Circular brushing, as you can see, with a cool origami style emblem on the back. You have Singapore, Sapphire, Solar, 1945, stainless steel, so a bit of information like usual on the watch. And the coolest thing here, if you can notice, you can find the seconds on the dot on the middle of the watch. So basically the seconds is jumping around, and it's very, very small. You might not even notice it at first glance. So let's see how does it look like on my wrist. I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist. That's how easy you can put the straps with these quick spring bars. Basically press down, then you have it. Clean the dial, and I'll also show you a couple of straps options. Maybe I'll leave this even to the review, put it on a couple of straps, but of course I need to try it out first on this strap, which is the one that came with it, the Cordura one. Looks really nice. I think I have a strap that will even look better on it. So I'll put this away, and I think this strap would actually look quite nice on this watch because of the circular openings of the rally style strap, and just goes somehow with a case shape. And rubber is also good in this hot weather that we have here. So the watch just arrived today, so I'm doing a video directly after it arrives. It shows you how much excited I am, because I don't have any kind of solar watches at the moment in my collection, and it was time for my mid-year state of the watch collection video time. So I was like, okay, and I'm going to do the video today, and the watch arrived. So weekend, new watch, and we'll do the video then tomorrow, because I want to enjoy this watch today. And yeah, really cool watch. Don't forget to check out Vario's website. Also sign up for the newsletter so you get 15% discount on this watch. And yeah, let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch. And this invitation to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.